My name is Alan Greenwood, and I'm Professor Emeritus at Mississippi State University in the U.S., and I also work part-time for FlexSim U.S. as a help them in the education market. There's many ways to use FlexSim in education. Certainly teaching in the classroom, so the students learn about simulation in theory and also how to apply it. It's used in research to support various research projects, and it's used in collaboration with industry to do, again, real projects. What we hope to do is have the students use simulation in industry and either build models and do analysis, or just be a supporter of simulation or an advocate for using simulation. They also will use simulation with companies when we do projects. And so as part of the course, I always require them to do a project, and a lot of times that's with industry. Most of my experience has been in industrial and systems engineering, so that would be the primary field. I've also kind of taught in management science programs, which are in business schools, and so they would span all kinds of industries. It's certainly manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, transportation, so a wide variety of projects that we've done over the years. Well, over my career, I've used a number of simulation software, and actually been using FlexSim for the last 16 years. And so I guess when I found something I really liked, and I just have stayed with it. I understand a little bit about some of the other simulation software does, but I don't get into it in detail, and I don't teach it or don't use it in research or with industry projects, because FlexSim is my product of choice. Yeah, quite a few. Yeah, over that. Well, I'm semi-retired now, but I'd say that probably over about a 12-year period, when I was in academia full-time and using FlexSim, I was using it in research projects kind of all the time. Some is more theoretical kind of research where it would support that. Others, and most of it was applied research where we would be developing things that could be used in industry. It started, I actually taught here in Poland for 3 years, and so as part of that I got to know some people in InterMarium, and we've been good friends and colleagues, and I enjoy working with InterMarium, and was excited to be here for this conference. So and to get back to, it's been I guess about 5 years now since we left Poland, and it was great to come back. I didn't do any directly with InterMarium. It was, I think InterMarium was the supplier of the software at the university in Poznan. And so from that aspect, I was affiliated with them, but we did projects primarily just through the university projects, because the students had to do logistics projects. It was a 2-semester course, and the second course was the project component, where they would actually work with industry in some particular company and build the simulation models, do analysis, and so forth. And so it was only through that. The other connection has been, there would be Flex symposiums that were run by InterMarium, and I was participating in those, and but not any particular project. Very impressed and very happy to be here and be a part of it. I think one of the things that I've always felt that InterMarium has been a real progressive organization, and they continue to amaze me in what they've accomplished. And just the conference itself, to organize, and the quality of the speakers and presentations, and now doing the simulation manager, and there's just so many activities that I find very innovative, and I'm just happy to be a part of that.